Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my predictions for Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100. If you like and appreciate my effort, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. Just for your information, I might be irregular for a few days. If my health permits, then I will try to definitely post and come with you because you are my family and I cannot live without you people as well. So because me and my family all are COVID positive right now, and we have been tested with just a moderate mild symptoms as of now, but yes, a few comorbidities which might affect the case. So we are just little watchful and need your wishes and prayers. Definitely that will be a lot support to me. So I will not take much time today and let's start the analysis. So right now Dow Jones, I will start the day with Dow Jones. Right now Dow Jones on a 4-hour chart is trading around 34167 levels. Now this is I can see it is very stable right now around here, and it is forming a it is being trading in this. Now the low for this is around 33,950 level, somewhere here 33970, and the high is at around 3434230. so looking at this, but this is just a glimpse of it. I am not telling you that this is going to be the final number. So I am just writing it down what I can foresee. See, now this is a downward trending channel, but it will definitely break out somewhere out of this zone, because see, all these candles are trading very much around this zone at 34,200, 34,150 levels. If you see, the median is at around 34,170. So right now the entire multiple 4-hour charts on a multiple 4-hour candle, we can see that it is being trading in around 34,170 levels, which is the median for now. So looking at this, it needs to get a good breakout, and what and where could that breakout be? That need to be watchful where this will turn up. I am just clearing out the charts where this could go. So now see this, here we have seen this candle, it is shown a higher low, and now it is showing a lower high also. So I will be watchful that where it takes when the market opens, where it takes this when the market opens. If it continues to drop and breaches below 34,970, 33,970, then yes, there is little bearishness. However, I will be watchful of the levels at around 34,250. I will be watchful of the levels at around 34,250. If it breaks 34,250, I will be expecting it to reverse till 34,400. And yes, that is my expectation, that we might see a little reversal today. Possibly we could see a little reversal today. So now this is the daily chart, and on a daily chart also we can see that it has already achieved lower lows. On the charts it has already achieved the low which it has to, just a second. So I think the low it is achieved, and if it breaks, even that it breaks 33,970 could be the bottom, and beyond that only if it breaks beyond 33,970 I will expect it to head directly to 33,800. If it breaks 33,970, it will break towards 33,800. However, I will expect it to go green from here. It will try to grow green. It might try to go past 34,400, and it might try to go close to 34,500 once again. So be watchful of this. We might again be it might try to go towards 34,500 levels. Just a little retracement from. So from here we might see a little retracement, possibly till towards 34,400 is the first target, and next target is 34,480. Close to that we might see. Now let's have a look at the indicators, that what are the indicators are indicating. So looking at this, we are getting a good resistance for any upward move at around 34,280. Once it breaks 34,280, I will expect it to head towards 34,400 and then towards 34,480 levels, close to 34,480 levels. and on the downside we are getting a good support only at below 33,800 levels. However, see, the RON is tapering down, the MACD lines are also tapering down. Let's see where it goes. Not much of indication, but indicating a bear. MACD lines are again have crossed over yesterday and they are divergent apart, indicating a drop. But yes, how far this could drop, that we need to see. RSI is comfortable on a daily chart, and stochastic has dropped. And almost it is heading down only. There is no way we could find that there is little retracement from here. See, now one interesting thing I would like to say, why I am saying that we could see this 4-hour chart of stochastic, and we could see that consistently it is trying to move up. Now this is divergent, the black line is looking upwards. So we have seen a bottom, and from here little retracement is there. And how far this could retrace? This could retrace till 34,400 levels. 34,280 is the first target, then 34,400 and 480 levels are my target for the day. So now let me write down the targets for you. I am giving a broad range, 34,000 to 34,400, with first target as 34,280 and next as 34,400 and next is again 34,480. Close to this, I am very sure that we might achieve 34,400. Be watchful of this. And now let's move towards a Tech 100. Tech 100 is right now trading at around 34,150. We can see that there is a twin bottom here, and at getting a good support from 13,100 levels, but possibly it might breach, and the candle is heading down, and we might see a good long candle. If it breaks this 34,100, we might see it towards how far this could go. Let's draw and understand how far this could go. This is a 4-hour chart. So the target is very, very big. It appears that we might head towards 12,900, close to 12,900, and maybe towards 12,970 as well. So I am just trying to give you a simplistic understanding that unless till it is below 13,320, we might always look towards 12,970. We might look towards 12,970. That is going to be the first probability. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. What are the daily charts are indicating? On a daily charts also, see, it is lower highs, and till it is a lower high, we can expect a lower low. That from the previous low, we are definitely going to see a drop. And how far this could go? First target is 12,970 and then 12,900. So be watchful. We might go till 12,900. Be watchful of this till the time it is below 13,320 for now. And if it remains below 13,320, we are definitely going to look towards 12,970 and 12,900 levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators. I am not going to talk much about. Let's rather better have a look. You people also can get a good understanding of why we are saying so. Look here, 13,100, as I said, giving a good support, and after that we could find that the support levels are daily support levels are at 12,880 levels. The RON is bearish, MACD lines are bearish, stochastic is bearish on a 4-hour chart. But now let's have a look at the daily charts. 4-hour charts also. See, what we saw in Dow Jones is the stochastic was upwards trending, while on Nasdaq it's downward trending, and that is why I am saying I am bearish on Nasdaq, and we might see 12,970 levels for sure. I am going to give you the levels here. Let me write down the levels for you. I am expecting 13,320 to 12,970 and then 12,900. Above 13,320, if though I am expecting it to trade in this range, if it breaks 13,320, 13,380 again could be the target possibly. So be watchful of this, and till then, happy learning and profiting, guys. Thank you very much. Please pray for me. Have a great trading day ahead. Thank you.